deers are not respecting my property rights. And all rights derive from property rights. How dare they? I'm gonna have a talk with them. Should close my garage. Oh. You're just getting ready to donkey kick me, aren't you? Yeah, I would go. I would go. That's right. You're not retreating onto my property. No, you're gonna go that way. You're gonna go that way. Oh, you're a male. Yeah, okay. You could hurt me. You could hurt me. You're gonna go that way. You're gonna go that way. That way. You go that way. Okay, I'm losing this fight.